So today, as part of a heat pump installation, we're laying the underfloor heating first. As you can see, these rooms are done already. This is the manifold being connected up. This is in the little utility room. This is one of our engineers there, just connecting the ends up. And then shortly, we'll be laying the rest of this room in here. That's what we use for running the pipe out the underfloor. It runs into a clip rail system we use, which we then additionally clip to keep the pipe secure on the floor for screeding. And then using this method, fairly quickly, the room will be covered. So there we are, all the pipes down. And then we just go around with this tool and put additional clips into the pipe to make sure it's firmly down all the way through. But when the screed goes down, there's no issue with it lifting.